This is a solution here. This is two water tank of 1,500 liters in capacity, two numbers. So this is the recipients, the one that receive water from the borehole. Show this in 25 mm pipe. Now 25 mm pipe carry out the shape. So through the 25 mm pipe. So when it gets filled, they run in this way. That is, we have to supply this water tank underground. So because then they pair the two of them together, and then that is the outlet to the building, the one that supply the building. That is the pipe that supply the building, and this is the overflow. So likewise at the back here, so they connected the two together, and this is the outlet to the apartment that is on this side. So, and this is a flow switch that is controlling the overflow of the water. So thank you. So the work we want to do here, we're going to install this booster pump, and we want to install it around this location, because the pressure of the water that is entering into this apartment is low. So we want to do that. So we are here for survey, then hopefully maybe after that, maybe the work can get started by tomorrow, because the weather is not really too friendly now. All right, thank you. Is a booster pump, automatic, which is automatic in type of it. So that is the pressure will have to be regulated by itself. So this one can withstand 10 bar maximum, and then from what we can see here, we have the inlet. This is the inlet side. Look at the arrow, the inlet side from the water pump outlet. Then